My name is David Silverberg, and today we're just going to learn a quick lesson on how to make all of our information that comes out from our templates come out as uppercase or lowercase or however you want. Now, if you simply try to retype everything yourself and make everything uppercase yourself, like by actually hand typing it, it's not going to read correctly when we go to use the template, and it's not going to recognize the code at all. Instead of hand typing it the way you expect it to come out, we want to actually type out the code in the exact matter that we have in PracticePanther. And then we're going to highlight the code and actually just change the font style of it. To do that, just highlight it, right click, and go to font. And here we can decide in the effects section in the middle exactly how we want that information to come out. So if I wanted it to come out as small caps or small letters, I would do that. If I want it to come out with all caps, I'll use that one, then hit OK. I'm going to do just this one code like this so you can kind of see the difference. And I'm going to go ahead and save it now. I'm going to save this copy and upload it to PracticePanther. Then after it's uploaded to PracticePanther, find the contact you'd like to use it on. Hit New, Apply Template, choose the template you want to use. And when we open up that document, it's going to have the information replaced with the actual information in whatever format you'd like it set to. See the difference? Enjoy!